Hello students, welcome back in online lecture series. I am Anuradha Wagh, teacher from BYK College. Students, till now we have learned about the business services. In that we have learned banking services, insurance services, warehousing services and transport services. Now, after talking all the business services, let us come on the business services, that is communication services. This is the last services. In this video, we are going to cover all the communication services and the types of communication. So let us focus on the meaning of communication. Communication refers to the exchange of idea, views, message between two or more person. Same like that, you students, most of us, we using the WhatsApp, and in that we sending the message and receive the message. It means that we exchange our ideas, we exchange our views, we send the information, important information between two or more person. So commerce also includes the trade and aids to trade. So communication is the main aid to trade. Communication is an art of exchanging the idea, facts, information from one person to another. The process of passing any information from one person to another with the help of some medium, it terms as a communication. The communication process is very simple process where the message is being transferred from sender to receiver. It means that one person is a sender and another is a receiver. The receiver, after receiving the message, understand the message and desire from them and then act as accordingly. So in a communication, we need two parties. We need sender and receiver, and also we need some medium. It means that with the help of that medium, with the help of that message, with the medium, we can convey our message, we can transfer our message, we can exchange our message. So in a business, in a communication, there are the two types of communication. First one is the postal services and the modern means of communication. In the postal services organize with the necessity of communicating, writing message. It means that in the past, one can exchange the message in writing by sending individual. It means that we can send the letters and or we can send the letters on post office or postcard. It is written the message and then we can send to the another person. But nowadays that ideas, that system or that mode of means of communication has been changed. So we have the various means of communication. So in that postal service we have the mail service, specialized service. There are the two types of postal service: mail service and specialized service. Money remittance service and retail service. There are the four types of postal service. And in a modern means of service, modern means of communication, we have the three types: courier service, internet and email. So first let us see about the postal service. In a postal service, first we have the mail services. Mail services is one of main services of post office that it's deal with the collection of letters and the parcel from sender, and then it is distributed amongst all receiver. Indian Postal Service deal with both inland letter and international bills. Now let us see first the inland letter. Now what do you mean by the inland letter? Like the postcard, return message can be sent using the inland letter card. This card is sold by the post office and it is commonly used for sending the message within our country. Unlike postcard, a written portion of the inland letter card is folded and then sealed. Only the name and address of the receiver and the senders remain open. Thus, whatever we have the content, whatever is written on the card, it become a secret. So secrecy is maintained in an inland letter. However, no enclosures is allowed to inside the inland letter cards. A special type of card, just like an inland letter card, is used for sending the message to the foreign countries also. Now next one is a envelope. Now as you know, envelope is also one kind of post letter or a postcard are not suitable for the sending the confidential message, and in inland letters it is not possible to send enclosures along with its message. But if one wants to send the application biodata for seeking the employment or in any organization, so postal envelope can be used. There are the postal envelope or ordinary envelope we can use, and with the postal stamp affixed on it, and we can use this envelope for sending the message, for sending the enclosures. We can't write the message for in that. We just post our enclosure, what is about our biodata is there, any receipt is there, whatever it means, that whatever the enclosures, so that enclosures we have to be kept in an envelope and then sent to the sender. It is a small size paper packet having one side open. After keeping your enclosure in it, you need to close it and send it receiver after writing your address on that. Now next one is a parcel. Now parcel, as you know, it is a different kinds of parcel or different types of items you can kept in the parcel, and you can send at any place or from one place to another. In the heavy items, you can also kept on this parcel and send to the sender. It provides a reliable and economical parcel delivery service. Under the postal service, the parcel of specific size and weight can be sent across the country as well as outside the country. The post charge some charge on the that parcel according to the weight of the parcel. So separate postage is to be paid for the inland and foreign parcel post. If the parcel is sent to the inside the country, so you have to charge some little bit amount. But if you have to send that your parcel outside the India to the foreign country, so you must be charged a higher amount on that parcel. Now next one is a book post. Last one is the book post. Printed material, printed books, periodicals, greeting cards can also mail as a book post. Under the book post, envelope containing the books or documents should be only enclosed, but it is not a seal. It should be a mention on the face of envelope as a book post. It means that suppose you want to send any printed materials, any periodicals, any book, any credit greeting cards on the time of occasions, so at that times you just put on that envelope, this is the book post, and the postage on the book post mail is less than the postage on the seal envelope. While we have to be send the envelope, so that envelope we must be sealed, but book post we must not be sealed. Now there are the second topic is second type of postal service is specialized postal service. In the specialized postal service, again there are the three services, or again there is the three post of. First one is a business post, logistic post, and bill mail services. Now first let us see the business post. In a business post, a post office provide the complete mailing solutions right from the preparation of the mail to delivery of the mail. So it is suitable for the small businessmen as well as to the large companies. A customer can choose from the range of its cost effectively. Whatever the suppose a small scalers, they can choose their specific parcel, or they can specific range which is suitable for that customers or their businessmen. In India, it has been set up the business post center in the major cities, specially to handle the business post consignments. Now next one is a logistic post. The logistic post provide to the customers, again they need not pay to the high amount. It is very suitable to the professional person or professional mailing services, cost effectively services, and it is very satisfactory solutions given by the post services, in which they manage the entire value They manage the entire value and they have the chain. It means that they collection first, they collect the mails, then store it to transfer and then distribute across the country. Now next one is a bill mail services, communication in nature of financial statement. Now the bills, monthly account statement, monthly accounts bills or any such items or similarly nature can be posted by the service provided to the customer at least in a once in the 90 days under these services. The minimum quantity of article should be posted at the times is 5,000. The mail will be received at a identified locations is provided. It means that the mail is the receiver should be provided the identifications location to the by the customers to the businessman. Bill mail shall be fully sorted pin code wise and bundle delivery post office. Okay, so there is a no credit facility is available on the bill mail services. Now next type is money remittance services. Again, there are the three types of money remittance services: electronic money transfer, instant money transfer, and international money transfer. Money order, first one is a electronic money transfer, that is EMO. Money transfer is issued by the post office for the payment of sum of money to the person whose name is mentioned on the money order. It is sent through the agency of the post office. It means that whatever the agency has in a post office, so they can mention the name of that on that money order and then can send to the that particular person. So pay is a person named in a money order as the person to whom the money is to be paid. The advantage of the sending money to the someone through the money order is that money is delivered at the house or at his place where he is living. Now next one is a instant money order. Now instant money order, Indian Post represent the instant money order, that is IMO, instant online money transfer services, which is very convenient, reliable and affordable to everyone, to the businessmen, to the small traders, manufacturers. And IMO is an instant web based money transfer service through which one can transfer the money from one country to another country. It is very simple to send and receive the money. Now last one is the international money transfer. Money transfer service scheme is a quick and easy way of transferring the personal remittance from abroad to the India. Only inward person remittance in India are punishable. No outward remittance from India is permitted. Money transfer is now available through the post office in India with the help of instant remittance of money from around the 195 countries to India is involved in that scheme. The receiver can collect the money within the minutes and after sender has been made the remittance. This service is help to NIR. It means that a person who has not stay in India but he has a NRI. It means that the NRI means a person who living in a foreign country and his dependents is living in our home country. So this service helps to the NRI dependents family in India. Now next one is a retail service. In that retail service, again we have the two type. There are the two topics or the two types: retail post and e-post. In the retail post, through the retail post, departmental offer the convenience to the general people by making third-party products and services available in their